for where luxury meets affordability. Welcome to Ugo Heights Estate, nestled in the heart of Okegun community.
It's not just Okegun town, but in the environment that is well developed. Just take a good look at. That's the express.
The amenities in this beautiful estate are good road network, 24 hours electricity and water supply, tight security, good gated house, recreational center, and lots more.
The plot size are 300 square meter and 500 square meter for residential and commercial plot respectively.
Ugo Heights Estate shares close proximity with some notable landmarks such as Lekki Junction, Alaro City, Pan Atlantic University, Eleganza Factory, Dangote Refinery, Seaport, and International Airport.
So guys, this is the best time for you to invest in a land that will give you good return on your investment. Currently, we are clearing the site and physical location is coming up very soon. If you have not invested, this is the best time for you to invest. Come to our DM, make a deposit and get your plot today.